So iOS 26.3 has just came out, and on my iPhone 15 Pro, I'm still rocking iOS 18. I have not updated to iOS 26 or 26.3, and the main reason why I have not yet updated to that version of software just yet is because from what I'm seeing, there are still a lot of improvements Apple needs to do on iOS 26.3. And I'm basically just waiting on Apple to go through and start releasing updates at a faster rate. I really don't like the, layout Apple has been kind of going through and dropping support, basically just giving us like one update like every other month. I feel like that is a very slow release cycle from Apple, and that is not really looking to me like Apple focusing on stability of a software version. It looks like they're just kind of releasing a software update when there's a new product they have to release or there's new something else coming out. And now that we got news that the Siri, the new updated Siri is also not going to be coming out until iOS 26.5, shows me that there's something really weird going on inside of Apple's software department, and I just feel very weird of updating my iPhone if it's going to end up not, like if I have issues with the iPhone and Apple just isn't going to end up fixing those problems. I feel like that's a main issue we're going to run into, and the last thing I want to do is update my device and then be stuck on a version of software that's not going to be good on my iPhone. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens, but in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.